what's up? Welcome to my party.
What's up, dude? Nice backyard setup you got here.
Hey, can you give me a popsicle in that cooler right there?
Yeah, sure. What kind do you want? There's only one kind.
Will you open it? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Ah! Ah! Where's my popsicle?
That was a good toss, though. I can't believe you called.
How's it going?
I know.
Ah.
I just threw it to throw it.
Will you open it?
I didn't know we were rolling.